make that money, you know what I mean? That hotel life. Down here working in Cairo, 10 out of 10. The quality in here in Cairo, don't. As you can probably imagine from one of my other videos. Doing a new thing on hotel reviews. I need to learn some laws with that. No names. The Bapati Inn in Cairo is a UGG infested app hole. If you see a Dollar General across the street, that's the one. Get out of there. Oh, don't start thinking about it. Get the stomach inside again. Just a freaking. Travel a lot for work. Know a lot of tricks. Like, subscribe, follow, comment any tricks you got for staying out of town. Sometimes, man, people think you just gotta deal with it. Nope. What are you talking about? Sleep in your van. Sleep in the grass outside before you take bed bugs home to your family, dude. If you live alone, have fun. But I do come across rude when I'm like, I'm leaving because when you lift my bed, there's bugs everywhere. No, I said I'm leaving. They don't understand. I'll move to a different room. The thing about the moving to a different room is when I see one bug, I won't sleep again until I'm in a new location. So like I said, here's a card, refund, let's go. I invest in myself. I'll go buy myself a hotel. Sometimes you gotta man up. If you pick the hotel, if your work says, hey, go ahead and pick it, and you pick a crap hole, gang, suck it up. Go get a different one on your own dime. Oh, also, when you're traveling, if you're going to like a small town and you're looking for a hotel, do some research and make sure that the hotel doesn't have 5 different names in the same 2-block radius. Because I don't want to stay at the one with 2 stars and bugs. I want to stay at the one with 5 stars. Unfortunately, the 5-star one is a week old. Different name, same address. Tough break. Dear Jesus, please bless this town. This is being impacted negatively by something. Oh no, I gotta go to Lowe's and get a part. Oh, it's the little things. I love doing the custom work. What am I doing? What are you doing? I'm installing an audio video system in the world's smallest courtroom. Maybe I sneak a little pic in there. 4:30. Not too shabby. Wait for it. It's gonna be funny. Oh no, the police are coming. Run. 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 Spanish for... Is that Spanish for run? Run. Dinner time at Walmart. Road life. Hey everybody, it's me. New side hustle goofing today. Doing some property cleanup. Alright, give you a little tour. Get all this knocked down, in maintenance, get a fire going, probably next weekend. Get in there, get all that cleaned up. Get a landscape, border, maybe some stuff in the middle. What do you call that? Keep it quartered. Yeah, garage needs rebuilt. Maybe next year. Shoo, it's a lot. First thing to do is get to mowing. That's what our people are getting into. This is true. Oh my goodness. Best day ever. Hello? Come here. Come here. Don't eat me, shoot. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, baby. Set gutters if you anybody know a gutter guy? Customers getting ready to rehab it. Clean up is all. This is us doing a 2018 Silverado. Catalytic converters have collapsed, causing back pressure, extreme back pressure.
It's causing an annoying check engine light.
No bueno. O2 sensors, there's 4 of them, hidden strategically. You have to push a lock back, and then a little flathead underneath, and then separate them. What we did, this is what you're fighting right here. So you got a black, you got a white piece, you're gonna push back, and then you wanna get a little flathead. Technically, you're gonna be putting the flathead right here, and popping it up over that, and then, let's start this over. Gonna be like that, and this is gonna be like this. Go to your home. So you pull that back, and you gotta pry in there and get it to pop over this little notch right there. Disregard all the woo-woo about this thingamajig. That's what you're prying up over. back to what he's doing. We have, don't like to say this often, but separation, which is good, of the manifold to the first cat. Cat 1, cat 2, cat 3. And we're replacing it with OE cat parts. OE cat converters. Just gotta come down, swing out, and then skid hit, and woo. How does it make you feel?
Frustrated.
I'm frustrated. It's synthetic. My mouth's numb. Oh, I left the easy part for you to cut this rusty bolt off. That's got to go. And then this flex pipe will stay. And the new... Hey, actually, start opening the new one. Hey, everybody. So this is happening. New, exhaust. That's the old manifold. 3 bolts, 3 nuts, gasket, and then the big pipe. Goes up here. Different, kind of rude. Those sucked. Alright. Huh? Oh, where the new piece is? Yeah. They're like, nah. Had to drop across and get out of the way. When you got the right tools, make short work of it, you know what I mean? That's why we called Harbor Freight to come in clutch. Riley's trip number 1. I remember I was like, hey, make sure that clamp's in there. Oh, it's in there. That's on me.
That's alright.
That's on me.
That's the whole Riley's trip number 1.
I gotta grab the rat dog. Earlier today, soaked the O2 sensors in WD-40 and the split O2 socket. Maybe this oil pressure and then my O2 sockets in my other toolbox is what I think happened. Anyways, dude, busted these suckers loose with a big ass pipe wrench. This is a life hack right there, bud. Put them in the new one. Yep, upstream to upstream, downstream to downstream. Just like downwind. Things are missing. New 50 state legal, baby. They're gonna want a live reaction of a cold start. Hold on a second. Don't start it, you'll scare me. Oh, that new. Hit me with your best shot. All right, see how bad it leaks. Yep. Turn it off. All right, that's interesting. We got one little leak right here. Oh, I'm still filming? Neat. I've got a little leak right there. Oh, I seen it. Actually, pretty burn then, isn't it?
Do what?
I'm talking to myself.
Oh.
Didn't sound any different to me, did it? Yep. See what I did was just like that. Another one's done. Wow. Something else. Heck yeah, sound good. Tired.